Today we're going to make vanilla extract. I am using grade A Madagascar vanilla beans. I have 2 packs of 25. And here's the vanilla beans here. I have 6 cups of glycerin and 2 cups of water in here. And this is my second time making vanilla extract. Here is the first time I gave it a try. And this has been steeping for about 3 months now. And it tastes really good, y'all, really good. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this vanilla extract. And so I'm just putting on the lid, make sure it's nice and tight, and you just shake it up really, really good. Since you split the vanilla beans open, you're letting all the little vanilla beans just come out, and it's gonna be so flavorful. So you just shake it, shake it, shake it, so the glycerin, so the vanilla beans can absorb the glycerin. And as you can see, it's kind of clear now, but it's gonna get dark over time as the vanilla bean absorbs the glycerin. And as you can see from my previous vanilla extract that I made about 3 months ago, it gets really dark. So, and it tastes really good. So give it a try. Vanilla beans, grade A, from Madagascar. Put it in glycerin and water and let it sit.